Looking for a new gaming monitor? Allow us to introduce the Alienware AW3225QF. This isn't your average screen. Boasting a grand 32-inch display, it offers a refresh rate of 240 Hz and a resolution of 1440p. All these features are tailor-made for those seeking a truly immersive gaming experience. So, you're not just playing games, you're living them. The Alienware AW3225QF is not just a gaming monitor, it's a gateway to new gaming dimensions. Now let's delve deeper into the features of this gaming marvel. The Alienware AW3225QF is not your run-of-the-mill gaming monitor. It boasts IPS nano color technology, a feature that ensures vibrant and accurate colors. Whether you're navigating the lush landscapes of your favorite open-world game or caught in the heart of an explosive battle, every hue pops with lifelike intensity. The world on your screen is not just seen, but truly experienced. Moving on, let's talk about compatibility. The AW3225QF is designed to play nicely with both NVIDIA G-SYNC and AMD FreeSync. This means you get a smooth, tear-free gaming experience regardless of your graphics card. The gameplay is as smooth as silk, even during high-action sequences, bringing you closer to the heart of the action. And it doesn't stop there. The AW3225QF offers a swift response time of just 1 millisecond. This is a game-changer, virtually eliminating motion blur and providing a significant edge in fast-paced gaming scenarios. But what about comfort? Well, the AW3225QF has that covered too. Its ergonomic design allows for height, tilt and swivel adjustments. You can game for hours without straining your neck or eyes. Last, but certainly not least, is the Alien FX customizable lighting system. This adds an extra layer of immersion, with lights that react to the action on your screen. With the Alienware AW3225QF, you're not just playing a game, you're living it. You might wonder, why choose the Alienware AW3225QF? Well, let's dive into it. For starters, this monitor is a gamer's dream come true. It brings superior gaming performance to your fingertips with a latency that's almost non-existent. You'll be immersed in your game world like never before, thanks to its unparalleled visual experience. The Alienware AW3225QF boasts a resolution that's so sharp it'll make reality seem dull. But it's not just about what's on the screen. The monitor itself is a testament to robust build quality and sleek design. Its durable construction ensures it stands the test of time, while its visually appealing design adds a touch of sophistication to your gaming setup. And let's not forget about the price. Despite these premium features, the Alienware AW3225QF comes at a competitive price, making it a smart choice for gamers on a budget. The Alienware AW3225QF is not just a purchase, it's an investment into a world-class gaming experience. Ready to elevate your gaming experience? Don't hold back! The Alienware AW3225QF Monitor, A of affordable luxury, is within your reach. Experience gaming like never before. Invest in the Alienware AW3225QF Monitor today. Your journey into immersive gaming starts now. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and be sure to check out the product links in the description below. Stay ahead in the game with us.